Are you wondering if YouTube TV can be used on Roku? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how to stream YouTube TV on your Roku device. If you're looking to enjoy live TV on the big screen, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV can absolutely be used on Roku. The platform offers a dedicated YouTube TV app that's compatible with most Roku streaming devices, including Roku players, Roku TVs, and Roku sticks. To get started, simply download the YouTube TV app from the Roku channel store, log in with your account credentials, and start streaming your favorite shows, sports, and news channels. The app supports features like live TV, DVR recordings, and personalized profiles, making it easy to enjoy YouTube TV's full experience on your TV. Just make sure your Roku device is connected to a stable internet connection for smooth streaming. If this video helped you understand how to use YouTube TV on Roku, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.